Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be making these octopus earrings for beach time fun. These are the supplies you will need. To make these paper cones, all you'll need to do is get a piece of paper, just make sure it is strong enough to support the clay, cut it out, and then tape it together. To get started, just take the clay and roll it out into a snake-like shape. Once you have it to the length that you want, just taper off one of the ends. And then make sure the other end is flat. Now roll your octopus tentacles around the cones. Place your eye pin into the flat side of the tentacle. And now bake your pieces. Once your pieces are baked, glue in your eye hooks. Now it's time to paint on the dots. I find it works best if you start at the flat side of the tentacle and work your way to the point. As you work your way to the pointed end, try and apply lighter pressure so that the dots become smaller as you get closer to the point. Go ahead and repeat with the second one, then let them dry and resin them. Now assemble your earrings. And this is them when they're done. I liked these so much, I went ahead and made a second pair too. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!